Together we achieve. Morning everybody, hope you're doing okay at home. We're missing you lots and it'll be really good when we can see each other again. I'm just going to write a letter because in my house at the moment there's me, there's my husband and there's my daughter Lauren. Just the three of us here, but I can't see my mum or my sister. So what I like to do is every week I like to write a letter, pop it in an envelope and put it into the post box so that they get a letter from me. You might want to write a letter or make a card and send it to somebody that you're missing just now, that you can't see. It's really nice to get a letter through the post. Okay, hope you enjoyed the assembly. Still great to see all the photos and the videos of everything you're doing at home. Makes us all smile. Stay safe. Take care and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Hi guys, a big fat hello from my home to your home. I hope everybody's doing okay. Really looking forward to seeing you guys soon because we really miss you. See ya.
Hi everyone, just wanted to check in and say hello and hope you're all okay. I'm missing you all loads. Hopefully won't be long till we're all back together again.
Hi everyone, this is my dog Betty. We're just enjoying the sunshine in the garden before it starts raining. Hope you're all alright, missing you so much and can't wait to see you soon back at school. Bye.
Hi everyone, hope you are all well and you're being good for your parents and your carers. There's been lots of celebrations in the last week, so if you managed to have some celebrations for VE Day, I hope that you had a really nice day and enjoyed some good weather. Take care everyone, see you soon, bye.
Hi, missing you. Hope to see you soon. Hello, missing you.
Hello, hope you're all okay. I shall see you soon. Take care. Bye.
Hello everyone, hope you're all staying safe and spending some time with your families. Missing you all so much at the moment.
Hi everybody, we hope that you're all doing okay and are keeping safe and being good at home, and we all hope to see you soon. Take care guys, bye.
Bye. Hi everybody, missing you all. Hope to see you very soon.
Hi everybody, hope you're all well. Hope to see you all soon. Stay safe.
Hi everyone, hope you're being really good at home with your parents or carers. We're really missing you all in school and we hope we can come back soon. Stay safe.
Hello.
Hi everybody, hope you're doing okay.
Hi everyone, hope you're all well.
Hi guys, I hope everyone's safe, well and happy and you've all been enjoying the sunshine. I hope to see you all very soon. Take care for now, bye!
Hello everybody, hello. Hello everybody, hello. Hello everybody, hello. Hello everybody, hello. Hi everyone. Can't wait till you're back at school, ready to learn and have some fun.
pick me up with golden hand. Oh, me say, oh, me tell you to run. I'm away, I'm away. I'm over to say, I'm over to